Sebafobethu ngibulise kunini yonke ijani yakho moya, and I'm back again with enye video. Yeah, echiseka namhlanje. I'm burning up. There's a lot in me right now that I just want to spit out to you all. It's hectic. It's the PSL deadline day for the January transfer window. So a lot is going on right now, And then we're also having a drama with AFCON. Oh, there's just a lot to take on right now. But getting right straight into it. Starting off with Algeria. Sorry, with Ivory Coast. We are coming to Algeria, God. But then let's start off with these. So I did report yesterday that the Ivory Coast approached the French Football Federation for the services of Hervé Renard. So according to the latest reports, their request has been rejected. So meaning that the loan approach that they had for Hervé Renard has been rejected, meaning that they have to look at other options for a coach that can take them forward in this AFCON tournament. So if there's any coach that you just mentioned, that who do you think would be able to steer around this ship and take Ivory Coast and head them towards the light? I mean, like, they've been through a difficult moment, so they're the host nation, guys. I mean, they have to give us something. So who do you think is fit enough to take on the Ivory Coast all the way? And then moving on from that, good news for the Cameroon. Oh, Cameroon must be celebrating right now. I mean, I'm happy too for him. It's Vincent Aboubakar. Oh, he is back from his injury, so he is guaranteed to play in the next game, which is the round of 16 against Nigeria. So this is a very big boost for Cameroon, for both its players and also the nation as a whole. I mean, he's a very important player for the national team. We know that he's also a very important player even in his club. We know he's a very good finisher, a player that can fit well in tight spaces. I mean, a very good player under pressure, and also is very relaxed on top of the ball. We know him, Vincent Aboubakar, one of Africa's finest footballers. He's back for Cameroon. And then moving on from that, I mean, I also did report that about Vincent Aboubakar because he was out, and I think a couple of weeks ago, and it was said that he would be out for 3 weeks, meaning that he would get to miss the whole of the AFCON. But due to the African gods not agreeing to him missing this AFCON tournament, we've got Vincent Aboubakar back. And then moving on to the final story that has to do with AFCON, Algeria approached Zinedine Zidane with the hopes of making him their next manager. But then Mickey Jr. reported that Zinedine Zidane rejected the offer. And mind you, that offer would have made Zinedine Zidane the highest paid coach in Africa. He rejected that proposal from Algeria. So that means that Algeria will have to look at other alternatives. But it's one of those things, man. Zidane has rejected a lot of national teams and clubs after he left Madrid. I mean, he is him, guys. 3 UCLs in a row? Damn. And then moving on to that, coming into South Africa, PSL Deadline. It's freaky. I did report yesterday that Sundowns obviously revealed their signing from Argentina. Today, they are on top of business again. They are standing on business, I'm telling you, man. So even Sundowns, it is said that they are en route to signing with Tashreeq Matthews. You know, Tashreeq Matthews is a South African international, plays his football overseas in Sweden. So it was reported that yesterday, Mamelodi Sundowns is full of tricks, because yesterday it was reported that they are strongly interested in the player because he's a very beautiful midfielder. We know that, they had agreed terms with IK Sirius. But then I discovered today that even the medicals had already been complete. So the announcement hasn't been made. I'm not sure about the signing of the documents, but what I'm sure about is that Mamelodi Sundowns are strongly linked with the Thembi Nkosi Lorch. This is the biggest story of the deadline. If Mamelodi Sundowns can pull this off, I'm telling you, the whole South Africa would be heartbroken right now. Because so many people don't want this to happen because they believe that Mamelodi Sundowns is killing competition in South Africa. You tell me what you think about this. Because do you think that Mamelodi Sundowns is doing this because they're playing in high competition, so they need more players which are at a higher level, and they need players that can compete, players with high quality such as Thembi Nkosi Lorch? Or do you think they are doing this because they just want to neutralize the competition and stretch their dominance further? You can tell me what you think in the comments below, obviously. And then moving on from that, going right straight into Mamelodi Sundowns. Of course, we are not done. They're a huge club. They have released Gift Motupa. You know Gift Motupa, formerly played for Bidvest Vets. Oh, what a beautiful striker he was. And then while also going straight into Orlando Pirates, they've also parted ways with Bienvenu Evanga. We know him, a big striker, beautiful player. Ooh, what a beautiful striker he is. And we know him. He once scored 10 goals for Chipa United. So, you know, guys, it's what they say. There's no place like home. So, Bienvenu Evanga has returned to Chipa United on a 1.5-year deal. And then, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So those are the news for you today, from me to you, Janiako Emihle. So guys, please do not forget, you should tell me what you think about all I've detailed right now. You can tell me what you think about Zinedine Zidane rejecting Algeria. You can tell me the influence that you think Abu Bakr is going to have for Morocco going into that round of 16 against Nigeria. You can also tell me what you think about the competition, which is being neutralized by Sundowns, because that's what the friends are saying, you know. So it's kind of like I'm quoting. You can tell me what you think about that. Also, do you think that Orlando Pirates wasted Bienvenu Evanga's time while they kept him there? Guys, you can share to me what you think about what I've reported right now. Thank you so much for being with me throughout this video. Thank you.